In this edition, we will analyze the topic of defects of vision. That in ninth class, you are encountered with the different visionary defects like presbyopia, myopia, and hypermetropia. And so, what is myopia? Myopia is also known as a short-sightedness or near-sightedness. A person suffering from myopia can see the nearly object clearly, but distant objects are invisible or nearly not visible. So in myopia, what happens? The distant object cannot see very clearly. We can see near object clearly, but distant object we cannot see clearly. Why? One of the main reasons for the defect is the increase of the curvature of eye lens. Therefore, the image of far object is formed in front of retina, while the image of near object is formed at retina. We can say the far point of such person is not infinity but nearer. So that is a diagram of short-sightedness, and that is myopia. The parallel rays from far object, and that is infinity. That infinity rays coming from the lens, that is convex lens, and image form in front of retina, not on retina. So we cannot see the distant object very clearly. So what is the correction? If we put the concave lens in front of convex lens, so due to presence of concave lens, the divergence of light happen, and the mirror and the retina and the image form at the surface of retina. So for the myopia, the correction lens we use, that is concave lens for the divergence of light. Same thing happen in the hypermetropia, but little change is there. That hypermetropia is also known as long-sightedness or far-sightedness. It means a person is suffering from hypermetropia is able to see distant object very clearly, but they do not see the nearby object clearly. They see distant object very clearly, but in hypermetropia they don't see the nearby object very clearly. An object placed at near point 25 centimeter is not clearly visible, but we move it away from the eye at the object they can see clearly. So that is a long-sightedness, and that is a convex lens as usual in our eye lens. So the image form behind the retina. In this long-sightedness, why we cannot see the nearby object? Because the image form behind the retina, that red point is situated behind the retina. So what is the correction? Due to the correction we use, that is convex lens. So convex lens helps to convergence light at the point of retina. So before that, the light is converged due to convex lens, and the virtual image is formed at the point of retina. So that is the main correction. Next is presbyopia. What is the presbyopia? The presbyopia is nothing but the flexibility of eye lens and its surrounding fibrous structure decrease with the age, and thereby the accommodation power of eye reduce. Due to the increasing the age, the accommodation power is very low. So due to this problem, we are able to make the two type of lens, that is a bifocal lens is used. We use some bifocal lens, and the bifocal lens we use to correct the presbyopia problem. The upper portion of this lens is concave and the lower portion is convex. If you see the aged person, they wear glass of their specs. They use both concave and convex. The concave lens at above the surface, and concave lens is below the surface. Convex lens is below the lower portion or lower portion of the specs. So that is called presbyopia, in which we can use both the lenses to overcome the problem. Next is astigmatism. So astigmatism is because of irregular curvature of the cornea. People of all age can be affected by this problem. So what is astigmatism? You can see the cornea of the normal people is normally round shape, but for genetically suffering people, the cornea becomes cylindrical sometime. So a person with astigmatism cannot clearly see horizontal and vertical line. They cannot see horizontal and vertical line because due to some defect in the cornea. Okay, and so that we can use cylindrical lenses to correct the defect of eye. So we use cylindrical lenses. Next is cataract. So cataract is nothing but a small white point happen in aged people eye. So with aging, the transparency and flexibility of eye lens reduce. The eye starts reflecting light because of this reduction in transparency, and the object is not clearly visible to such an eye. And this defect is known as cataract. The eye lens is removed to improve the vision. Earlier, a person had to use a very high powered and dark colored lens, and still the vision recovery was not proper. Nowadays, because of advancement of technology, the eye lens is replaced with an artificial lens to correct the vision. These lenses are known as intraocular lenses. So, cataract is what? The cataract is a small white colored point which is located in front of our lens, so we cannot see the object clearly. And due to for the overcoming this, we use intraocular lenses, interaocular lenses. So due to these lenses, we can overcome this cataract problem. So this chapter is finished, and the next topic we will describe, or the next assignment I will give you about the summer vacation. So you have to write all the assignments in your notebook about this chapter, and there are 10 to 15 questions related to this particular chapter.